Get ready to discover how campfire sounds can change your sleep forever. Have you ever wondered why the crackling of a campfire has such a mesmerizing effect on our sleep? Here's the intriguing part. Scientific research has revealed that listening to campfire sounds and nature's gentle lullabies can create a tranquil environment that promotes deep relaxation and improves sleep quality. Have you experienced the soothing benefits of campfire sounds? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your sleep into a peaceful retreat. Embrace the power of campfire sounds and unlock a world of restful nights. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to a lifetime of blissful sleep.